How to fill a table with color in Google Docs. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fill a table with color in Google Docs. Whether you want to color a single cell or multiple cells, I got you covered. Let's start with filling a single cell first. First, right click on the cell that you want to color. From the menu, you need to select Table Properties. Now, go to the cell background and choose your desired color. It's that simple. Now, if you want to fill more than one cell, let's say you want to fill 2 or 3 cells, highlight those cells first. Then, once you have it open, you need to go to the cell background and pick your color. Easy, right? Lastly, if you want to change the outline of all the cells in your table, you need to highlight the entire table. Then, go back to the table properties and select Table Border. Here, you can choose a color for the outline like blue or any color that you want, and there you go. That's how you change the color in table in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to support to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.